In today's video, we went to Budget Wrench Apart, found some cool stuff at the Junkyard, and did some data log pulls. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So in a previous video, we got the downpipe wrapped in header wrap, painted it, and I got the exhaust welded up by Slammin Welding. He did an awesome job. So today I'm actually going to Budget Wrench Apart. We're going to go through some of the selection they have out there, see what kind of stuff they have out there. Casey works out there, and so does Mexican Jesse. So if they're there, we'll get them on camera. But yeah, I just wanted to get you guys some content. So I'm going to head out there. I'm going to go and stop by and pick up Josh, which is the guy who welded up the downpipe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro in the car, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we had to stop and get some fuel. Turns out I didn't need as much as I thought. The gauge was just being stupid again. So I got Josh over here, and we're going to do some data logs on the way there as well, see how everything's at. But everything looked pretty good on the way here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on the window. Okay, so we're here at Budget Wrench Apart. As I said, Josh is with. So we're gonna go in here. I don't see Casey's car or Mexican Jesse's vehicle, so I don't know if they're in here. Probably not. It's really windy, so sorry about that. We're gonna get checked in on Facebook so we get in for free here at Budget Wrench Apart, and once we get back there, we'll see what selection they have. They got some really good selection of tires out here, like 185, 7014s, 130, and they're like brand new looking. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description to their website. You can actually see what parts they have online. They cleared out a whole lot. Sorry, the sun's really bright right now. It was all dark and gloomy earlier, now it's just really bright.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they have a pretty good little selection here. Over here is where the CRVs are usually at. A bunch of K20s, K24s for the elements and stuff are over in this area. It's usually where I went to get my K-series stuff. Alright, had to switch to my phone. GoPro died. Could definitely get some swaps. I want to do an F-series eventually and turbo it. Maybe not in the EF most likely. But got some J series out here, do a J swap, that'd be fun. Always wanted to do a J swap. Ooh, an old Acura Legend. Really love those. I actually had one of those. Really good cars. Oh, look at that. Y8.
Manual.
It's like $130, I think, for the engine.
It's manual.
Yep, it's a manual. So that would have the short gear transmission. I need to put that in my car. But I like the long gears right now. I never thought I'd ever say that, but I'm gonna go browse some more. I want to take this out and drop it in the EF.
These are glass.
Yeah, actually this one has solid mounts on it. I want to show you guys, that's pretty cool. These solid mounts are worth some pretty pennies too. They're not cheap ones. And this one is a B7, so it has a semi-long gear transmission, good for boost. I like short gears, but I also like long gears. The reason I like short gears is a fast acceleration. Only crap that sucks about it is the fact that you spin really easily. So there's pros and cons of both transmissions. The long gear, it sucks because whenever you go to the next gear, it drops your RPMs below your power band most of the time. So then you got to build back into it. They've changed a little of the selection since I've been here last. So much. They're K24s. You won't probably find any K20s. But these K24s, like I said, you can build them up, make them real quick. they had an EK out here, and an EK hatch, an actual EK hatch, VIN number EK and all. I was like, what the heck? Why would someone toss it out here? It's not here now. Dang, I wanted to show you guys that. So I'm over here at the Hondas and I found this. Look how small this turbo is. This is my hand. I don't have huge hands. It's so cute and tiny. The shaft doesn't have any shaft play. I bet you it's a pretty good turbo. I want to buy it just to have it, but I don't think I could use it. I mean, I could put it on my lawnmower if I cut this, you know. My lawnmower would be cutting grass so efficiently. But yeah, they definitely have a good selection out here. We'll go walk over here, see what else they have. Found a lot of good stuff so far though. Just not finding what I need. I don't know what I need yet, but once I see it, I'll know. I guess that's how junkyards work, huh? Unless you're going out here for a specific reason. They've got lots of Civics though. Look at the suspension on here. Insane. It's almost worth buying and posting on Marketplace for twice the value I paid for it. For twice the price I paid for it. That'd be crazy.
Dude,
that's literally the part you need, isn't it?
yeah.
Man. I'm gonna go over there, check out some more Hondas. I also found this tag. It's really nice. It's already got tinted windows, so if someone has a tag and they just want tinted windows, they could just come and take these windows. Got a nice center console. Thought about doing the center console swap into mine, but if I went that far, I'd just do the whole dash, because that'd be cool. Then be able to run an Integra dash in an EF. Other people have done it, and it works. I think it'd be really cool to do though. Also, no, there's no computer in here. I've checked all of them. The Integra over there too. Just trying to find a nobody-one computer that it could chip or sell, whatever. Not that I need one, but you know. There's that one again. Really good mounts, at least the side mounts. It's a stock rear mount. Man, kind of just want to buy it, even though I have no use for this year's mounts or headlights, which I like the headlights. This looks like a bad day. Someone had a horrible day. Man, craziness. All right, I'm gonna find Josh. I lost him somewhere. All right, I found him. Still over here in the BMW section. Getting that hose he needs. Getting that hose you need.
Yeah.
It's in
Trying
there.
to. That bitch is hard.
Yeah, it is. It's definitely stuck. Let's see if down here. Yep. I can see the hose clamp.
Yeah.
Man. Found a lot of cool stuff. A little baby turbo and
The keychain turbo?
yeah, keychain turbo. No, it's from my lawnmower. I have a Honda lawnmower, you know. Not just the green one out in the parking lot, but it makes sense though. But yeah, he's gonna get that off. My phone's about to die because the cold is just draining the battery. So yeah, once we get off of here, we'll head back to the car and talk there. All right, check this out. We got two of these. They need new bushings, but they're there. Freaking coilover sleeve kit on them. Front and backs. Another one there. This is a 96. No, it's a 98. 98 Civic 4-door. Man, finding all kinds of stuff. Crazy. Hey, he just got it. It was pretty cheap actually, and he got all the pieces that he needs, and those are usually broke. So he got a good deal, and got the beauty sitting over here. So gonna go out and head back towards the house, and maybe do another pull or two. Everything seemed to be doing pretty good, so here we go. from data logging that I needed, and he got his parts. So we're gonna head back to the house, and once I get back to the house, we'll go over some stuff. Alright, since I'm back at the house, I wanted to show you the data log from that pool. You can see it's 3.2 psi, what it was pretty consistent at, 3.1, 3.2. Air fuel ratio is 1157 to 1, which that is a bit rich. We could lean that out a little bit, gain a little more power. And I thought, man, this wasn't pulling very hard on that. So I looked, vehicle speed 103, ignition timing, TPS was 100%, duty cycle 73, intake temp was 62, and engine coolant temp was 148. Now that's where we ran into our problem. VTEC wasn't turned on because the coolant temp wasn't to operating temperature yet. I've said this before, this radiator actually cools really, really well, so it doesn't build up heat very fast. So it will actually sit below cold most of the times, but after a long drive or like lots of getting on it, the temp will finally get up. Here's a little video clip of the temp after fully getting on it and everything. It was sitting pretty normal operating temp at that point. So the VTEC wasn't engaging, that's why it didn't pull as hard. But after it did engage, I got a little video clip of that, so I'll put it right here. As you can see, it definitely pulled a lot harder with the VTEC engaging for obvious reasons. But yeah, everything looks good. Everything under here looks good. There's no oil leaks or anything like that. So it's all holding up really well. But yeah, once that fire ring gets here, we'll actually make more than 3 pounds of boost. But like I said in previous videos, that fire ring is really important because right now the exhaust is just bypassing the turbo and it won't let it build full boost. So that's why it's like that. The fire ring was supposed to be here Saturday. Today is Sunday and it is still not here. So hopefully tomorrow, on Monday, it should be here. But I figured I'd get you guys some content, get another video out. I hopefully will have something coming to my More Motorsports James D Guy channel here soon. So definitely stay tuned to that channel as well. If you haven't went over there and subscribed, there'll be a link below. Just click that, it'll take you right there. And it'll prompt you for subscribing to that channel. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, get this edited and out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.